Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to start off a funnel to create a funnel using CloudFunnels inside of CloudFunnels. So the first thing, go to the location where you've installed CloudFunnels, and if you don't have any funnels set up, you're going to see the login screen. So you got to log in first before you can set up a funnel. I'm starting with that. I'm going to put in my password. Just gonna take a second, and it's logging me in. Once logged in, you're going to see another screen. And if you don't have any funnels, CloudFunnels is going to ask you to create a funnel. To do that, click on the button, create a funnel now. And you can give your funnel a name. So I'm just going to call this my test funnel. And you got to select a funnel type. We've got a number of funnel types. You can use a webinar, a membership, a sales funnel, or you can even create your custom funnels and define the pages that you want to put in that funnel. I'm going to start off create a sales funnel. Basically, the funnels templates are pretty adaptable. You can use anything for anything, but when you choose a funnel type, it gives you a recommended set of pages. So that's about it. You can also select a funnel URL. So I have installed CloudFunnels on a website, on a web location, and I can install multiple CloudFunnel instances in multiple folders. So what you can effectively do is have a website where you've got different instances of CloudFunnels in different folders. So maybe the main website is a blog, but you've got CloudFunnels installed on a folder called maybe store or something, so that you can set up a store inside a folder and you won't have to change your entire subdomain or domain to set up a CloudFunnels instance. You can select the funnel URL. It automatically picks up a default URL based on the funnel name, but if you want to change it, you can do so. And there's also another option, override funnel if already exists. And you can use this if you want to replace an existing funnel. So if you've already done a setup of a funnel and for some reason you want to create a new one from scratch, you can do that. So this is a new funnel for me, so I don't have to do that. It's just a matter of seconds and you've got your funnel templates right over here. On the left side, you can see the pages that are available to you. You've got an opt-in page, you've got a sales page, you've got an order form, you've got a confirmation page, and you've got a cancellation page. So the first thing, let me start off by setting up an opt-in page for you. So right now it's totally empty. I've got nothing. So you can either create from scratch, you can start off from scratch and use the CloudFunnel editor to create a page from scratch. And many people do that. It's very easy to use. Or you can pick up one of our pre-existing templates. And to do that, just click on the choose template button and you will see a list of templates that are already available to you. At this time, at the time of making this video, we've got 10 templates, but this list is ever growing. We are going to introduce a huge number of templates for every kind of niche, and you're continuously going to see new templates coming to you if you are a pro member of CloudFunnels. Now, that said, to get started, I'm just going to pick up one of the opt-in instances, one of the template designs. So let me go for opt-in 4. I'll just click this button, and it's already downloading that template to my CloudFunnels installation. And in a matter of seconds, I will have that. So just a second more. All right, so that's already done. It's downloaded, and you should see a preview of the template, right? It's right over there now. You should see a preview of the template right over here. And to customize it, to tailor it to our page, to our audience, you can just click on the Edit Existing Page button, and it's going to load up the template in our editor. And this is a very, very powerful editor. It's got every feature that you could want from a capable cloud editor. You can do a number of things. You can change any text you want. Sign up before you lose, before the offer goes. Okay, I'm not a good typing guy, so just ignore all the typos that I do. Then you can change any text you want. Just click on the text and you can change it. Similarly, you can also change any image from this page. For example, this is a generic image and you will want to replace it with your own photograph maybe. So just select the image, double click on it, and you can add a new image from your computer. So that's very easy. Click to upload. So pick up an image that is suitable for you. I'm gonna find one of my own profile pics. That's not a good one. Let me use this one and just click on the image, and that's it. So you can see my details are here now, and I And if you make a mistake, like I duplicated something by mistake, you can just click on the undo button over here, and that will fix the problem. So now I will want to modify this. So Cyril Cheat, that's my name, and CEO, Technic Force, and so I will be able to set up my opt-in page very easily. I can modify the date. For example, if I want to do this in 12 days, I can do that. If I wanted to put in a gap of only about 10 hours, can do that. And this is a timer that will automatically start working. So this editor gives you a lot of capabilities. If you just click here, you can find that we've got a number of different setups. You've got a number of different elements to choose from. You can put in images, you can put in text, you can style the text you want, you can even use CSS, and it's got a lot of different options. You can preview the page, how it'll look in the web browser. You can even see responsive design, whether how it's going to look on a mobile phone. So all of that is a part of the app. It's going to be very easy to use it. And if you are somebody technical, you can even modify the HTML and the CSS, or you can ask your technical guys to do that. So this is, I'm sure you've used designers before. This is quite a capable designer, and I will have a detailed tutorial on that later. I will show you exactly what you can achieve with the designer. In this tutorial, the scope is not, there's so much to do all of that. So I won't really go into a lot of detail, but finally, when you're done, just click on Save Template, and CloudFunnels is saving your details, and it's going to update the preview. So when you go back to CloudFunnels after saving, you will find that your page has changed, and we'll be able to visit it on the live website. And if you go back to CloudFunnels, you will see that your template has been updated and it reflects the current preview. All right, before we go, I want to show you another interesting feature, very, very easy to use feature inside of CloudFunnels. Now I have a ready-made template, and this time I modified the template. But what if you want to pick up your opt-in page from an existing opt-in page that you have? What if you want to use your existing funnel? Well, you can do that. I'm going to show you again how to do this. So going back to my test funnel that I just had, and sorry, I just need to go back. And here I've got the opt-in page, and I'm going to click on choose template one more time. And this time, instead of choosing one of the ready templates that I have, I'm going to click on download page of a website, download URL, and I'm going to put in any URL that I want. So if you've got an opt-in page that you want to use, put in the URL, click on clone the URL. And what CloudFunnels will do is it's going to download that page. It will download the HTML, it will download all the CSS, it will download all the images, and it will set up that page as a ready-made template that you can instantly modify. So that's a quick way to duplicate your funnel, or in fact, any page that you have that belongs to you or that you have rights to inside of CloudFunnels without having to do any kind of manual work. So this is how easy it is to get a funnel started, to set up your funnel. And similarly, you can modify, okay, I just clicked on the funnel name. So here's how the opt-in page looks. And this is the URL, mytestfunnel/opt-in that I have set up. So similarly, you can set up all the other pages too. So if you want to modify, if you want to set up a sales page, that's possible. Click on sales page and then click on, again, either edit existing page or click on change template or add template, and you will be able to do so. I will be going into a more detailed tutorial later. I will be showing you how to set up the funnels with more detailed instructions, like how to set up memberships, how to work with products, how to work with payments, how to work with integrations. I will come to all of that one by one. Also, you can have multiple funnels inside one installation of CloudFunnels. So this is my first funnel. If you want to start off a new one, click on Create New, and you will be able to create a new funnel inside a new folder. There's more too. If you click on Edit Funnel, there are settings that you can further, you can explore, like this. Click on the setting button here, and you've got a huge number of settings, like you can do A and B testing. You can, if you are in Europe and you're targeting European people, you can display a GDPR cookie notice. You can have cached pages. You can have AMP pages. Now, AMP is something that is extremely amazing, and all our templates, all the templates that we give you, they are AMP compatible. So Google AMP is going to make your mobile pages that much faster. Google is going to cache them, and you will be ranking higher in Google search results. And CloudFunnels today is the only funnel system that supports AMP. You can also send leads to Zapier if you want through the Zapier integration, and it's got a number of by integrations like that. You can connect to lists, you can connect to memberships, you can connect to autoresponders, and you can have custom integrations too. And you can also put in your own custom JavaScript. So if you want to put in something like Google Analytics or your Facebook pixels or your conversion pixels or anything else that is that is JavaScript, you can do so. Put it in the header script. You can put stuff in the footer script too, and you can also put in other stuff which are, of course, they are a little more advanced. I will come to these two input names, and for the project and the page, I'll come to that later. Also, CloudFunnels is 100% SEO optimizable. It'll let you put in a page title, it'll let you put in a page description, it'll let you put in a robots value. It's going to let you put in a fav icon, all the keywords that you want to target, a copyright notice, and all of those things that you need to put in to rank higher on Google and to give people who find you on search a reason to click on you. So this was a very brief demo of how to get a funnel started. In the later chapters, in the later tutorials, I'm going to talk more about all the different amazing options that you have inside of CloudFunnels.